Hey everyone, welcome to our channel. So to download the CapCut app for free on any iPhone or iPad is a straightforward process. So let's get started. First thing first, all you have to do is go to the App Store and search for the CapCut. If you find it, then there will be a download option available there and simply download it. And if you don't find CapCut in your App Store, then all you have to do is simply tap on your name at the top of the settings menu. You can see there is a profile icon available there. Simply tap on it. So after you tap on it, you will be navigated to the menu section of your App Store ID. Now tap on your name on the top of this. Then tap on the country/region option available there. Then tap on change country or region option available on your screen in blue highlights. Tap on it. Now select the country where CapCut is available. So for example, I'm choosing Australia for now. So after you choose the country, all you have to do is read and agree to the terms and conditions provided by the App Store. So you can see here's the terms and condition. Tap on the agree in the top right corner. Now after that, you might need to enter a valid payment method for the new country. You can use payment method like PayPal, or you can select none if it's not available. And all you have to do is enter a billing address for the new country. You can use any valid address from that country. And after changing your country and region, open the App Store again and you can download CapCut. So that's it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe our channel, and thank you so much for watching.